Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code in the Viber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the More option. This will open up additional features and settings within Viber that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. It's your gateway to accessing various tools and customization options. Once you tap on More, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a QR code icon there. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This button is specifically designed to handle all QR code-related features in Viber, making it easy for you to share your contact information or scan others' codes. After tapping the QR code icon, you'll see an option that says My QR Code. Tap on this option to proceed. This is where Viber will create your personal QR code that contains your unique profile information. As soon as you tap My QR Code, the app will automatically generate your personalized QR code. This code is unique to your Viber account and can be shared with anyone who wants to add you as a contact. Instead of manually typing in phone numbers or usernames, people can simply scan this code with their camera and instantly connect with you on Viber. It's a quick and convenient way to expand your network. And that's it. You've successfully generated your QR code in Viber, making it easier than ever to share your contact information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.